So hi guys, going to show you how you can update content website with the optimized one. So dyan yung ipang hide yung mga wailabot yun. Dalang sa ta para makafocus na to o sakto document that has our plan of the pages we're going to update. So we're done with the home page. Now we will proceed with the other pages as well. So for an example, let's update this service page. And before we do anything, we have to generate have the backup in case it in case lang, so that we can compare it from the old and the new one. See that? And I already have done uploading the HTML, so you know how to do it already. And then I also have the current title and description. So as you can see, it has a lot of errors and opportunities we can exploit or improve our old page content. So here is the new one, the complete SEO optimized and user-friendly content draft for the service page of Aurora Legal. So it says here that our page title will be Digital Marketing Services for Law Firms. What we will do now is we will edit first the page. So we can make sure that the URL slugs will not be changed. This one. And we will first update page title that is also put in this doc or it's not here. Wait. Oh, here. If you will see something like this, 65, you can just adjust it and adjust here. So nothing, you cannot adjust anything. In that case, it's a case-to-case basis, but let's make sure that in the SERP preview, it's not putol or it's not cut off there. And then discover tailored solution digital marketing for law firms from SEO, social media, really helps you. So this is good. It complies with the maximum or the recommended character solution. Like characters. We were going to save and then edit now using Elementor. Next, we will have the H1 named now as the or the page title. In this case, I will explain a bit in page title in the template that they use or the theme title of the page is the same. Both are the same. So yeah, we can. It's good that we can have a. What is this? This is not a bookmark. If you want to add a breadcrumbs, you should really use the breadcrumbs, not the generated one. Breadcrumbs. That's what has really the link to it, but in this matter, it's ugly. Just it that style, color, make it white, just a little bit gray, like that. Many choices here. That instead, so that the user will know if we have sub pages, they will know where they are in our site. Next is the H2. So, what I've said, this is a thing that has a same H1 and title tags. So let's try what's the new global font. Still the same. Yeah, still the same. Let's not change that because I'm not the website editor or digital website designer. Let's leave the same. Not the same. The same. So both the same. I thought there's another style. What you want or what you will look for is the brand name, and then link it back to the homepage. And let's keep that image for now. So, dili na magdaog. See, it's the picture here. Same with the text. So, skip this for now. So, we have a guide or a, did you call that? We will have a guide on what image that we're going to use. But I want to have this CTA free consulting. Ready to elevate your firm? Or make it simple for now. Just one button, button. So a lot of choices. Button text. We're the same. Let's make it shout. Uy, so noisy shout at. Which is good. Or we can same color, right? Yeah. Same. Make it really white. And then some border. Yeah. It's good. Next, why choose our digital marketing service? Just a text editor. We'll design that, it in the center, make the color accent secondary. Is there a blue in here? No blue. So let's stick with the. Why is it called yellow? Ah, what's the difference here? Let's have that so that it has green, the same with the website color palette. Anyways, this is just say for example purposes. Let's not change anything. I will take long if I will design. So let's have this as default lang sa for now. That next. Then heading again as it says here H2. That maybe there's element here that we can use. So lots of choices and I cannot choose. So let's just go with the basics box. Oh, so this can be removed. Small. I like it. Remove that. It's ugly. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 7, 8. So, 1, 8. Let's have just 3. 2. See? I don't like this kind of style. It's just, again, more simplified way. Tsaka no? Doesn't show up here. Ah, let's see. Ah, it's not showing. Let's have that. And I don't like. Let's just use the H2 to have that link PO first there. There. Then we have keyword here on page. We have on page. Uy, di makita. Then next, let's click it to be sure. It's more looking good. Doing it like that. This also can be moved, but let's see. Cannot. Exactly. Global fonts. Then we have there how many image? 1, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12! So a lot. But what's the text title or alt text? How can we find that? Oy. So again, the sample. Who's this good looking guy? One. Yun. And next, web design. 1, 2, 3. So lots of terms here page. So confusing. Where there's mastery. I think we should keep the what we offer. It's more like nice. Then and just leave this city. Maybe we should include the website redesign. Here to this one. I think this is more look good. Make sure to adjust this as H3. Yeah, let's do this. There. Now, keyboard. Yeah, let's use this because we have terms 0 here. Hindi mo click. All of them are stock photos. Only page here and page 2. Dooby-doo, 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 dooby-doo. Eto na. Dooby-dooby-doo, dooby-doo. See, wrong. Dooby-doo, dooby-doo-doo, dooby-doo, dooby-doo-doo. Di mo na kailangan boses mo yung maganda. Da, 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 la, 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 la. Sa, dooby-dooby-doo, yung di mo ng color guys.